Hello my loves, guess what? Yeah, we bought a camera. It's a vlogging camera, guys. I have been struggling with a small space on my phone, and then I was just done of nagging about small space that I have on my phone. And then I was like, you know what, if you want to do this, then you have to buy a camera, because there's no way you have to keep nagging about the small space you have. So here it is. So we're going to unbox it together, so stay tuned. It's a SONY ZV-e10. Actually, I wanted to buy DJI Osmo Pocket 3, but unfortunately I couldn't find it in a store. And I saw on TikTok some people were comparing both of them, as in DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and SONY ZV-e10, and it is the same amount. And I was like, okay, so they don't have Osmo Pocket 3, but they have Sony. So okay, so let me just get this, because I decided to grab the SONY ZV first and try it and see if it can work it for me. And what I realized later on is a SONY ZV, it might be a good camera, but there is some equipment that you have, like you must have, as in to make it easier for you. You need a tripod, you need a lens, and I was like, sis, this will be out of your budget, so you have to stick maybe to DJI Osmo Pocket 3, because it has all of that include. It has, as in, microphone, gimbal, tripod, lens, and it has a cover as well. So I was like, wow, it's same amount, good quality, so why would I waste another penny to buy other equipment when there is this camera that has a full package? So I was like, now there's no way I'll spend another penny to buy more equipment when you can get all of that in one camera, which is DJI Osmo Pocket 3. And I think at the time you will see this video, I might probably change to DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Hopefully, pray for me. So stay tuned. But I was excited. I know, apart from all of that, I was excited to get my first camera. So as you see, I was trying everything out, as in microphone, as in battery, and see how the setting thing meant. Oh my god, but I found it's not easy, man. I thought this would be easier for me to use it, but guys, if you're a beginner, this camera thing, it's really tricky. You just have to take a whole course for this, but it is what it is anyway. If you love something, you have to put that effort to learn what you need, like what you need to know, to make it work. So I think that's what I was trying to do there, and finally I managed how to how to turn it on, and voila, as you see, I started. I wasn't vlogging. I was just showing you how it looks like when you're vlogging or taking, because it's 2-in-1. It take pictures and it's filming as well at the same time. So so that is it. So probably on my next vlog, I'll be using this camera and see how it works, and from there we'll decide. So guys, another thing, I just want to appreciate you so much. Thank you for supporting me. I see your support, guys, and I don't take it for granted, like, for sure. I really see it. Keep pushing me, keep sharing, keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, and some good stuff are coming, guys. I promise you're not ready for what is coming, because I'm not playing, baby. We are doing this, okay?